Oh yeah, back behind me here we got the old Pit Boss heating up, got it preheating. That smoke is looking good. And I'm going to be trying some of these today. Have you seen this? Someone gave me these. They said do a review of them. It's White Castle Cheeseburger Bites. So we're going to go ahead and heat this up to about, it says on the back here there's the ways to cook it. And if you look here, conventional oven, 425, arrange single layer of 12 frozen bites, evenly spread on a baking sheet. I'm going to put aluminum foil down, cook on center rack for 8 to 9 minutes, and carefully remove from oven. It's hot. Let them stand for 1 to 2 minutes or microwave. Microwave's okay. Pit Boss is the same, in my opinion, as an oven. When something says oven, you know what we do. We put it on here, and we're going to let this heat up to 425, and we'll give them a test. I do appreciate you stopping by. It's we cook on the Pit Boss from time to time, the Big Green Egg Mini Max from time to time, and more. It's all about outdoor cooking right here. Let's get these on. I think we're down, we're almost there. Not quite yet, 400 degrees, so 25 more degrees, we're putting them on. Yeah, if you look right here, we are at temp 425. Let's go ahead and add these. All right, we got them on the Pit Boss. It's also hard to believe it is a December 22nd, and I'm out here in short sleeves. I could be in shorts. Amazing weather right now, unbelievable. How's the weather where you are? Hope you're having a great weather too, because this is crazy. Hey, about 8 minutes in. Ooh, losing a little bit on that one. Right there, losing a little. That one's opened up. But overall, looks good. I think we're done. They're oozing just a tad bit. There they are. Got the White Castle Cheeseburger Bites. Look pretty good. The side that was on the bottom, some it did get browner. That one didn't leak out. A couple of them did. They've been cooling off for just a little bit. But let's go ahead and do this. That's a nice brown one there. Let me go ahead and give it a go. Inside down. Steamy. Just hot there for a minute. Tastes like a cheeseburger. Who else wants to try one? Here you go.
It's fine.
Yeah, what do you think?
I don't like it.
Whoa. He said no go. Don't like it. Not a White Castle fan. Dolores said no go. I don't think they're bad at all. And I do like White Castles. They taste like a White Castle burger, so we're split here. I say they're good. She says they're not. What do you think? Have you tried them? Are you going to try them? I'll see you soon.